This week's tech tip of the week is converting Google Docs to a draft in Gmail. So it's kind of a neat feature that allows you to draft what you want to say and include pictures, etc. in a Google Doc, and then you use a simple Chrome extension to convert it to a Gmail draft. So how do we find it? Number one, just go to Google and convert a Google Doc to a Gmail draft. Okay, and here it is right there in the Chrome store. Now, if I open it up, it'll show me it. But as you can see, I already have it added. So you will have to select the button here that says Add this to Chrome. Let's show what it looks like then. If I go into my Drive, I can then work on a document in Gmail, and maybe, it could really be anything. Let me see what I have here. Okay, so you can see that I've got some pictures here, some information here, all typed up on a Google Doc. Now, what I can do with this is, using that Chrome extension, I now have a button that says Open in Gmail. Click it. It'll take a few minutes. And what happens is then, that loads up in your Gmail, and it actually shows up in your drafts. There it is. You can see that the Google Doc that I worked on, all the information has now been brought in, so I can send it out via email. So it's a handy feature. That is how our principals do their updates every week. So give it a try. It's a way to draft a nice looking email in Google Docs and then convert it and send it out quickly.